Hi, everybody. Welcome to our third week of Sociology 105, Marriage and the Family. We have a little bit of class business here to take care of. First of all, I just wanted to say great job on the week two assignments. I really enjoyed working with you on the discussion board. This week, because of 4th of July and since you have a midterm, there is no discussion board this week. Your only assignment is the response journal, the lecture quiz, and the midterm exam. So the midterm exam opens on Thursday, July 5th, which is tomorrow, at 12 noon, and it closes on Saturday, July 7th at 11:59 p.m. You will have 60 minutes to take the exam, so you can begin anytime you like within the time period that it's open. And once you begin, you will have 60 minutes to take the exam. At the end of those 60 minutes, Canvas will submit your exam for you. You must complete the exam all in one sitting. This 60 minutes is continuous, so you can't start and stop it or anything. And the best way to study for the exam is to look at the midterm exam study guide, which has been up since the first day of class, and let it guide you through your readings and your reviews of the lectures. I did not go over family in history in the lecture, and so you are responsible for that chapter in your book. Regarding this week's lecture quiz, this week's lecture quiz is only one question long, and it's about the date of the midterm. So in this week's lecture videos, I mention other quiz questions, but please just go ahead and ignore them. This week's quiz is only one question long, and it is 5 points. Happy 4th of July. So the midterm exam opens on Thursday, July 5th at 12 noon and closes on Saturday, July 7th at 11:59 p.m. So that should be your choice on the quiz question. And that's it for this video. You have 3 more videos coming up for this week.